Hi, I'm Kauakea Winston, and I'm here to share about my new Vesta Mystery School Introductory to Astrology program. This program comes with a set of 42 cards, and they're of the planets, the signs, the houses, as well as the asteroids. And these cards are meant to be used directly on the pages of this 87-page workbook that comes with the course. The course has 6 self-study videos so that you can learn more about your nature or the nature of those you love. This course has the Vesta Mystery School coloring book and layout book for your cards that are part of what you get. So it's $149 to take the class. It comes with the workbook and cards that are mailed to you, and it also comes with 6 videos to help you learn astrology. So thanks for listening, and let me know if you're interested. Aloha.